What's my 4-step affiliate strategy for marketers in 2021? You'll find out in this video. Hey, what's up? It's Tera Greene here, and on today's video, I'm going to be giving you my exact strategy so that you can build a business in affiliate marketing in 2021. You see, my intention for this channel is to always make sure that you always have the best ways to make money as an affiliate on the internet so that you can eat and nourish yourself no matter what's going on in the world. Now, before I get started, if you're new here and you haven't a clue what affiliate marketing is, basically it's a way that you can promote other people's products and earn commissions every single time that someone buys a product from you. And you don't need a website, you don't need your own product, and it's just really simple to get into even if you're a beginner. Now, I haven't been doing affiliate marketing too long, and it's been kind of off and on, but even I've had 75 sales, and affiliate marketing has connected me to other money-making opportunities as well. And since 2020 happened, I am dedicating my time to affiliate marketing more, and I have an 8-figure mentor who's also helping me as I move along this new part of my journey. So that's why I'm going to reveal the 4 steps to a successful affiliate marketing business, because it's really rewarding. But first, please consider this. What would you do if you suddenly lost over 80 million followers on your favorite social media platform? Now, if you're wondering what this has to do with anything of affiliate marketing, just stick with me because it has a lot to do with what I'm about to share with you, okay? So let's go over to my computer, and I prepared something for you here. So the other day I was watching my feed and this image popped up. Now, this is by no means a political channel, but this image is relevant to the affiliate marketing strategy I will share with you today. In fact, this strategy is not only good for affiliate marketing, but if you're an entrepreneur looking to get started online in any niche, pay close attention too, because what I'm about to share with you will help you shift your mindset to the right type of thinking that may help you avoid experiencing this in your business. And what is this experience? It's not having an asset. So we'll go over this in a minute, but first, if you're new, I'd like to take a moment to welcome you to my channel. I am a digital marketer, producer, intuitive health coach, and mom of 1. My mission is to help you succeed online by sharing with you some of the things I'm learning from my 8-figure mentor and also implementing in my affiliate marketing business. This specific series is all about helping you to develop the right mindset and approach to your business so that you can see better results and that are going to be able to be scalable results at that. Now, I'm not going to waste your time with BS claims, shady tactics, and strategies that are unattainable or outdated for that matter. And I can't and I won't guarantee any promises of money that you can earn. I think that's only fair. But I will teach you the long game and long-term business building strategies that build something that's sustainable while still allowing you to just start from scratch as a beginner. Now, if you would like to learn more, please subscribe, turn on all notifications, and click that like button so that other folks are able to see this content too. Cool? And also stay to the end, because at the end of this video, there is a way that I do affiliate marketing that no one's really talking about and that could literally make or break your affiliate marketing success in 2021. All right, so let's get back to my social media scenario, okay? So imagine that you have this Twitter account and you build it up, and soon it is a megaphone for broadcasting your message to say, let's say 1,000 people. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing or starting again, here's the most important and fundamental concept you should know. Your email list is your most important asset. But here's what most people won't tell you. Unfortunately, in most affiliate marketing scenarios, you are generally building someone else's list, okay? And that's usually the product creators. And if you want to learn more about this, check out my most recent video where I talk about another way you really lose out big time in the old model of affiliate marketing. Now that you know that your email list is your most important asset and that you should begin to build one immediately, how do you do it as an affiliate marketer? And what does this have to do with having 1,000 followers on Twitter, or worse, losing all of them? Well, what if I told you that every name on your email list, even if you create a list and do it poorly, that even then, each name on your email list is worth at least $1 a month? Yeah, it is simple marketing math that you should know and understand about creating your email list. The reason this matters is because say those 1,000 followers were names on your email list instead of followers on a platform. Are you starting to get the importance of why this image from a business standpoint is devastating to your bottom line? No? Well, what if, okay, let's just expand this more. What if those 1,000 followers turn to 100,000 followers, then 1 million followers, and eventually 81.7 million followers? Now, imagine that if you only got 1 million of those followers on your email list. Well, simple marketing math should tell you that if you just plain sucked at it, even then you'd be sitting at $1 million a month in revenue, at least. Why? Because when you build a list, you can send those folks relevant offers, and then those relevant offers generate more sales the longer those folks stay on your list. Is it starting to click yet? Remember when I asked at the beginning of this video, what would you do if you suddenly lost over 80 million followers on your favorite social media platform? Well, what would you do? Honestly, by this time this happens, unfortunately, it's already too late. But fortunately, I'm sharing with you the strategy that will create success for you if you get the message that I'm saying here today. What is the right way to build a business in affiliate marketing? Here are the 4 steps. Actually, I'm going to give you a bonus step first, okay? Because I think it's very important that you know that before there are any steps to anything, there's always the planning steps, the preparation steps. And that's what step 0 is in this, okay? So step 0, it's find a proven ecosystem to tap into and promote. Even if you're not sure what that means, you can check out my recent video where I teach you about tapping into a proven ecosystem, okay? So once you have that in place, step 0, you can finally move on to step 1. Step 1 is create or find something of value to give away for free. And now here's a pro tip if you're really serious about affiliate marketing. These different things of value that you give away for free should pre-sell, or they should educate people on the offer that you're going to be sending them to. And you can use an ethical bribe like a digital book or a short implementable PDF download. Make sure it's of value though. Or it can simply be a bold, big promise. So for example, like how I am earning $20,000 per week online without ClickBank. Now, step 2 is you're going to create a landing page with an opt-in form. Step 3, you're going to link that opt-in form to an email list, or basically a place that you're going to be able to send people your emails and also collect those emails as well. I advise not to use Gmail. There's many other reasons for that, but just say don't use Gmail. You want to have an actual good place for these emails to send them, and it's usually called an autoresponder. And then step 4, the final step, is you create a thank you page that has a button to send people to the offer that you chose in step 0. All right, so now if you're looking at that and you're thinking, wow, that's a bit much, then what if I told you there's a shortcut to even this? Now, honestly, affiliate marketing is already a shortcut to success. There's so much you can do with affiliate marketing, and you don't have to bother with shipping costs. And more often than not, all you have to do is copy and paste or follow the print by numbers that the vendor gives you to get started. It's really how to make money with no money. Now you can start to make sales online without having to do all the hard work. And like I said, I've personally generated 75 plus sales as an affiliate marketer on one platform alone. And no, it wasn't ClickBank or Amazon or Best Buy or anything like that. However, I generated those sales the old way. And now that it's 2021, that old way is done. Fortunately, in the new way of affiliate marketing, there is, in fact, a shortcut to the 4 steps that I just outlined. So if you would like to know what that is, this is the shortcut strategy for beginners to start affiliate marketing in 2021 that I'm using to grow my list and avoid all unnecessary pitfalls like a missed 87 million person opportunity. It's called the Partner with Anthony program, and you get to tap into a proven ecosystem. But even better, you literally are given the landing pages that you're going to need, and you're shown how to put everything else together step by step. It's perfect for beginners, and you can get started tapping into over 13 streams of income today with a small investment. The link is down below if you'd like to check that out. Now, when you invest in this partnership, you'll start building your list, your most important asset, so that if one day, okay, your favorite social media platform does go down or suspends you for any length of time, temporarily or permanently, you won't lose all those people and all that income earning potential. So the lesson, don't rely on other people's platforms. Create your own, build your own platform, which is also your asset, which is called your email list. And if you do this and you start actually building a relationship with the people on your list, well, then you are going to be doing affiliate marketing the right way, the smart way, the ethical way. And I truly hope that it will be profitable for you. I'd love to teach you more, and I'd also love to help you connect the dots. So all you have to do, click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and please leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments, and I will make sure to do my best to reply to all of them, or as many as I can, within a timely fashion. And make sure you smash that like button and make sure that you tell, the algorithms that you like what this content is, because it also helps other people like you find this content as well. And again, make sure you click the link in the description box below if you're interested in the Partner with Anthony program. And I will have more content for you next week. Peace out.